Hi, I was going to make this video for the class in case anybody else has the same question. One student told me they had some issues trying to download the file for the Chapter 9 Excel project. So I went ahead and I went to the project right here, and when I click on download the materials, if I try to download all the files this way, you do get a weird error. But if you go over here, because all you really need is the Excel file, and just click on download the Excel file, it will download fine. So if you go ahead and do it that way, I think I already downloaded it, which is why it's taken so long, but it will download that way. When you do try to download all the files with the link at the bottom, you do get an error. So don't use this download all files. This is just the instructions, and this is a zip file. I never download that, but just download the Excel file and you should be fine. I'm not sure why. I'll let Pearson know that there's something wrong with the download all files for this one, but in order to do the project, you really just need the Excel file. And if you just use your little bar over here, you can move over to the download feature right here and just download the Excel file. So then you'll be able to work on the project.